Hello, welcome back. It is the 5th of April of 2022 today, and it's just a quick couple of demergers. I don't think the US markets are open yet, but there's been two acquisitions today. So the first was SLR Senior Investment, which is SLR Senior Investment Corporation. It's been acquired by SLR Investment Corporation, so SLR Investment Corporation. And based on the ratio of 0.77 SLR Investment Core shares for every one SLR Senior Investment Core, due to a distribution of the new shares, and as a result, 2.4 SLR Investment Corporation shares have been allocated to your account accordingly. So my old one, SLR Senior, is gone and it's been replaced with just SLR Investment. My 3 shares of SUNS have been liquidated for nothing, and I think I've already gotten new shares, which are, where are they? Yes, here they are. So I remember this happened to me with a couple of other ones before, and what happens is the return goes down. This realized profit and loss, actually goes down because I technically sold my shares for nothing. But then I was given these ones essentially for free. So I have 2.4 shares of this with an average price of 0. I paid nothing for them. So what happens with this is, if I was to put the same amount in again, say €40, I would end up with an €80 investment, but it would say that I'm 50% up because I technically only put €40 into it, because it has reduced, or it has reduced the realized gains from before the return. A little bit confusing, but it's just how this platform works. But one funny thing that I could actually do now is, because the US markets are not open, if I put €1 into this, the platform will think that this €1 has turned into 40. So it will have a massive green return. Could be thousands of percent. So we'll see. It'll be 400%. Oh no, it'll be 4,000%. Anyway, we'll see when the market opens today. That should be fun. But I will have to basically double this position and bring it down to like a 50% up return, because it would be ridiculous. Thousands of percent. And the second demerger today, second acquisition, As an investor, you're probably aware that People's United Financial Incorporated has been acquired by M&T Bank Corporation. So based on the ratio of 0.11 M&T shares for every one People's United Financial shares, you're due a distribution, and as a result, 0.027 of these new M&T shares have been allocated to your account. So both have been sold for nothing, and I've been given shares of these two new companies essentially for free. So I've lost, 100% loss on the previous one, and then a 100% gain on both of these, so it balances out. Still have 640 investments, and I have completed the payday calendar and the Excel sheet of all the new investments. So I'll upload both of them in a separate video. But I only realized today that all these demergers and acquisitions, and when stocks get delisted and stuff, I didn't actually take them out of the payday calendar. But I finished it today. And the last mission is to work out exactly how much I have invested in each stock. So that when something like this happens, if I say had €5 in People's Financial, and then I was given €4 of this M&T, I would know from my Excel sheet that I've lost €1 on it. Doesn't make a huge difference because it's so small, but it'll be a good habit to keep in the future. So the US markets are open, and my €1 went into each of these stocks, and look at that magnificent number. 3,925% up. I would love to keep it the way it is. It looks very nice, but there's no point. No, it's completely artificial. It does look good though. So to balance them out, to kind of set them straight, I would have to put about €40 into SLR Investment and about €4 into M&T Bank, and that will make each one about 50% up, which is reasonable. It's a bit more reasonable than that. Does look good though. I also figured out that, unfortunately the stock SLR Senior Investment was a monthly paying stock, and it basically was acquired by this company, which is SLR Investment. This one only pays 4 times a year, so I have lost one of my beloved monthly paying stocks, unfortunately. And I think M&T Bank also pays 4 times a year, which is pretty normal for a US bank. So yeah, I've lost a monthly payer, so I'm probably going to replace that with a UK monthly paying stock, because the majority of them are US at the moment. Well, that's really it. It's a pretty eventful day.